make elotes mexicanos, we need just a couple of ingredients. Melted butter or margarine. We need mayonnaise, Parmesan cheese, and your elotes, which is your corn on the cob. So what I do is, you can boil them. I was kind of busy, so I just put them in my crock pot on high with a cup of water. I put like 7 or 8 of them in here, left them for about an hour and a half to 2 hours, and then that's it. First thing you do is you grab your corn. Be careful because it's hot. You can grab a clean towel to grab them, or some tongs. You grab them, you roll them around in the butter, then you roll it around in your mayonnaise, then you put it in your Parmesan, and you sprinkle the Parmesan in the same plate. Then you put it in a plate, and if you want chili, like La Valentina salsa, or Louisiana hot sauce is really good too, you add that, and that's it.